Hi everyone, this is Carolyn from Nonnas Nutty Krafts, and you're not going to see much of me because I'm going to point out what I'm going to be doing. So let's get started. So the first thing I did, I don't know if you can see all here. Yeah, you can see. I have all my paints down here. I have my baby whites for all the goofs I'll probably be making. Got to wipe all them off quick, some paper towels. I have my paint with water on my paint brushes. My little palette things, paint and all. So what I first did here, and I'm hoping you can see this. You could see it a little bit right here. So this is my picture that I'm doing, as you can see, right? Let me bring it a little bit closer. It's gonna be Max. So what I've done, I blew it up as big as I can be. You can see that part of the antlers are missing. But on here, if you can just barely see, let me see if I can move you just so I'm going to pick you up. You're going to see me in the reflection here because it's a mirror. You could see there are the eyes and the antlers. And I have my picture there to use as my guideline. And there's all my paints and stuff all down there ready to go in case I didn't get that in the camera. So without further ado, we're going to get started. So let's get going.